How's it going, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm on the rooftop of my apartment with our awesome pool, so check that out. I haven't been up here much, but I did want to come up here for today because this morning I watched a video from Peter Mckinnon. If you don't know who he is, definitely check him out. One of my favorite YouTubers, if not my favorite. But he posted a video about this cinematic drone boomerang.
So you guys know what a boomerang is. It's like when you're on Instagram or you select boomerang and it's like one of these things. And that's pretty much all they're used for. But my friend Kraig started doing them with his drone, where he would just send it up into the air and speed ramp it and bring it back down. It just looks so much cooler. So that's what we're going to attempt to do here.
And how to do it and all that kind of stuff. And I'm going to get better at doing filmmaking and things like that. So I'm going to be trying to do more tutorials, watching them, and then trying to actually recreate what they're making. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm going to try to do the cinematic boomerang drone video, and I'm going to do it from up here on top of my apartment from this awesome view of the pool. So I'm going to get set up and then try to shoot that. So let's see how that turns out. All right, we're back down in my apartment. We just took the drone video. Hopefully everything went okay. I was kind of nervous flying it on top of the apartment building. It wasn't too windy, so we were in good shape. But yeah, we're back down here in my workspace. I don't know if this is how I want to set up my camera yet for all my videos, but it's a work in progress. I want it to feel kind of like a studio, so we'll just see how this works out. I don't have an external light, so I'm using all the light from the window right now, and hopefully it looks okay. All right. I'm going to get the drone video from my drone right here. And I'm gonna have to put it in my computer, and it sucks that I have to use these dongles. It just would be nice to USB in there, or if all USBs change to USB-C, that would be nice. But let's go ahead and get this drone video in there. We'll set this in here, plug it in, and let's check it out on the computer. All right, so we have this video done. I'm going to go ahead and export it. And while it's exporting, I just wanted to say thank you to everyone that has watched my previous video of our apartment tour. That one's got the most views we've had in a really long time, and I really appreciate everyone going and checking it out. And I appreciate everyone that's subscribed to the channel since then. We're going a lot faster than last year, and so that's really exciting. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And I'm going to be creating more content like this, hopefully in the near future. So if you're interested in seeing that kind of stuff, hit that like button and let me know down in the comments. And I'm going to catch you guys in the next video. Peace.